Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Code with ER. In this video guys, we are going to learn something new, something different. In this video guys, we are going to learn something new, something different in React.js. And guys, today in this video, in this session, we are going to learn that how we can create an awesome, dynamic and state-of-the-art React app. Okay, yes guys, you heard that right. Today in this video, in this session, we are going to learn that how we can create an awesome, dynamic and state-of-the-art React random code generator app. Okay, yes guys, you heard that right. Today in this video, in this session, we are going to learn that how we can create an awesome, dynamic and state-of-the-art React random code generator app using React.js and design as well. Okay, so guys, just to give you the demo, I have already created an example. So let me go to the example now and let me just show you the example. Let me just explain all the feature, all the functionality of the example to you as well, so that we will get to know that today what we are going to learn and today what we are going to create in this video, in this session. Okay, so let me go to the example now and let me just show you the example. So guys, this is the example I have built using purely React.js and design UI library as well. Okay, so guys, here we can see the heading also, random code generator app. Yes guys, you read that right. Today in this video, in this session, we are going to learn that how we can create this kind of nice, awesome and state-of-the-art random code generator app using React.js and design UI library as well. Okay, so guys, I have created here the UI using the and design UI library. Okay, and guys, below we can see here one code as well, and this is the author. Okay, so here is the code. Okay, write your plans in pencil and give God the eraser. Okay, so guys, this React random code generator app is very dynamic, is very awesome, and guys, it has got a lot of things, a lot of new stuff to learn and to become master on it in React. Okay, so guys, it has got state variable, it has got state updater function also. We will also use here the use effect hook also, use state hook also, and we are also going to learn in this video, in this session only, that what is API and how to use React state variable to fetch the external API, to fetch the third-party API and to interact with the third-party API using the state variable, using the state updater function in React in this video, in this session. Okay, so guys, if you are new to React.js and if you are learning React.js in 2025, then guys, this video is definitely for you. You should definitely watch the entire video very carefully and very patiently. Okay, like I told you, this video has got a lot of new stuff to learn and to become master over it. Okay, so guys, if you are a beginner and if you are new to React.js, then guys, this video is definitely for you. This video have been created for the new beginners and for the new learner in React.js in 2025. Okay, so guys, now let me just explain you all the feature, all the functionality of this demo as well, of this React random code generator. Okay, so guys, now let me just explain all the feature, all the functionality to you. Okay, so guys, here we can see the button also, dark mode. Okay, so guys, it has got a feature of dark mode as well as the light mode. Okay, so we can switch the theme, okay, between dark mode to light mode. Okay, so here is the button to change the theme, here is the button to switch the theme between light mode and dark mode. Okay, you can see here the tooltip also. So I have used here the tooltip from the Ant Design UI library. Okay, I'll show you, I'll explain you what is Ant Design in the next video, in the next session as well. Okay, so here is the tooltip. As of now we can see here the background color of this tooltip is red. Okay, okay, so guys, let me just apply now the dark mode. Okay, so we have to click the button dark mode in order to apply the dark mode. Okay, so I'm going to hit it now. You can see here, boom guys, you can see here now dark mode is now applied, and you can see here the background color of the tooltip also changes to blue. You can see guys how dynamic and how cool our React, okay, random code generator app is. Okay, so guys, this is the code, and this is the author. Okay, this is the author, and guys, this is the tag. Okay, famous quotes. Okay, so guys, in this video I'm also going to explain you, I'm also going to teach you that what is third party API, and what is API, and how we can fetch the third party API, third party like external API in our React app, in our React application, in this video, in this session. Okay, in a very and very simple English as well. Okay, so guys, don't worry, this video is very cool. This video is this application is very cool. This application is very easy to build, very easy to create. Okay, you just have to, all you have to do is you just have to sit back and watch the entire video very carefully and very patiently. Guys, I'll explain you each and everything in a very minute, okay, in depth, in details. Okay, so guys, you don't have to worry at all. Okay, after watching this video, after watching this session, you are going to create this kind of React app on your own. Okay, and guys, you can just mention this app in your resume also, in your CV also. It is going to give you the weightage, and it is going to give you the opportunity in your interview as well. Okay, it is going to give you the upper hand in your interview, in your selection process. Okay, so if you are new to React.js, and if you are a beginner in React.js, then guys, this video is definitely for you. You should definitely watch the entire video as well. Okay, and guys, below we can see here read code button. Okay, and below we can see here five buttons also: new code, copy code, okay, tweet, share on LinkedIn, and share on Facebook. So guys, we can share this, okay, code on over the Twitter also, on LinkedIn also, and on Facebook as well. Okay, so I'll just show you each and everything. Okay guys, this video, this app is world class app. Okay guys, you should definitely try to create this app on your own after watching this video, after finishing this session. Okay, it's my guarantee. You will learn a lot of things, a lot of new things in React.js. You will know what is API, how to fetch API, okay, what is UI, and okay, what is the click events also, and how to call the React function on the click event as well. Okay, so let me just generate here new code. Okay, first of all, let me just read the code also. So in order to read the code, you have to click this button, read code. Okay, so I'm going to hit this button, read code now.
Write your plans in pencil and give God the eraser.
See, boom,
Paulo
guys.
Coelho.
You can see it is going to read the code, okay, for you, okay, along with the author name.
Write your plans in pencil and give God the eraser.
So
Paulo Coelho.
So get the new code by clicking this button, new code. Hit it now. You can see here I have shown here the notification as well. Okay, and as soon as our code is now generated, we can also see here the same code in the notification as well. Okay, so this is the success notification. Okay, I have shown the same code in the notification as well. Okay, and I have used this notification from Ant Design UI library itself. Okay, so let me just you can see here wisdom, compassion, and courage are the three universally recognized moral qualities of man. Okay, and this is the author, and here is the tag wisdom. Okay, so I'm going to read this code. Okay, so hit the button, read code.
Wisdom, compassion, and courage are the three universally recognized moral qualities of men.
Okay,
Confucius.
so guys, now I'm going to copy this code, okay, on our clipboard as well. Okay, so let me just hit this button, copy to clipboard. Okay, so click it now. See, code copied to clipboard. Okay, guys, you can see here how cool and how awesome our random code generator app is. Okay, it is going to alert you, it is going to notify you on your each and every event. Okay, so you can see here code copied to clipboard. The code you have copied is also shown here in the notification as well. So let me just paste it. So come here and you can see here, let's just paste it here. Okay, so control V, you can see here wisdom, compassion and courage are the three universally recognized moral qualities of man. Okay, you can see here the same code also here. Okay, so let me just remove this, we don't need this. Okay, so let me just get the new code. Okay, you can see I have shown here the loader also. You can see here the notification also saying that it's a success. So this is the success notification. So read the code also.
The greatest mistake you can make in life is to be continually fearing you will make one.
Okay,
Albert Hubbard.
so copy this code also, copy to clipboard, hit the button copy. You can see here code copied to clipboard. They can paste it here also. Control V, you can see here the greatest mistake you can make in life is to continually fearing you will make one. Okay, so you like we don't have to fear that we will make mistake. Okay, so guys, if you will continuously thinking about you will make mistake, okay, then guys you are not going to progress in your life, in your career goal. Okay, so guys, we have to be very strong enough to make mistake in our life, in our career goal also. Then only we will be able to progress in our life, in our career. Okay, so guys, we don't have to be scared, okay, of making mistakes. Okay guys, only the strong person can make mistake. Okay guys, listen to me very carefully. Only the strong minded, only the strong person can make the mistake in life. Okay, so guys, being a coward, okay, being a timid, being a okay like derpog. Okay, derpog means coward, timid. Okay, who like the person who is not willing to make mistake, the person who is okay scared of making mistake. Okay, so guys, don't be the person who is scared of making mistake. Definitely guys, you are not going to learn anything new. Guys, mistake is the okay indication. Mistake is the parameter. Mistake is the measurement that you are learning, you are progressing in your life. Okay, so you should definitely uh, try to make one mistake. Okay, if you want to learn something new, if you want to grow in your career. Okay, because only the courageous people, only the strong person have the quality, have the courage, have the what can I say, audacity to make mistake. Okay, and I told you mistake is the measurement, mistake is the like notification, mistake is the quality of learning. Okay, so do make mistake, okay, in the learning process. Okay, don't refrain yourself of making mistake. Okay, so this is it. So let me just okay tweet this. So I go, so guys, now I'm going to tweet this code on the Twitter. So let me just click the button tweet. So I have to log in. Okay, so it will take a few times also. So let me just okay bear with me, okay, for a few times. Okay, so I'll just say here. Okay, so see, boom guys, you can see here we got here the same code. Okay, you can see here the greatest mistake you can make in life is not to continually fearing of you will make one. Okay, is also here. Okay, so let me just close this and let me just okay let me just get the new code. Okay, so you can see love isn't something you find, love is something that finds you. Okay, so read this code.
Love isn't something you find. Love is something that finds you.
Okay, so
Loretta Young.
okay, so let me just copy this code. So it's copied, paste it here. You can see here love isn't something you find, love is something that finds you. So let's just control Z, we don't need this. I'm going to post this tweet on X, or formerly known as the Twitter. You can see here, boom guys, it's here. Okay, so let me just remove the author, otherwise it can like, okay, they can sue me also. So post it. Okay, you can see here, it's now posted. Okay, it's now posted. So guys, you can see here how cool and how dynamic our React application. Okay, random code generator app. Okay, so guys, now I'm going to post, okay, the same code on LinkedIn as well. Okay, so click this button, LinkedIn, to post it, to post the same code on LinkedIn as well. So click the button, LinkedIn. So guys, this is my LinkedIn handle. You can follow me here also if you want to follow me. Okay, so this is my LinkedIn profile. Okay, and you can see here, we can post it here also. So Control V, you can see it's here. Okay, okay, so let me just post it here also. I want to give you the full confidence. Okay, so let me just remove this code and post it. Okay, so it is now posted. Okay, so let me just post it. Let me just share this code on the Facebook as well. Okay, so click the button, share on Facebook. So first of all, I have to log in. Okay, so return to home, and let me just log in guys. Okay, I hope you won't do any kind of tampering with my, okay, like, okay, although like, I mean, you can't do anything. Okay, so it is a bit, okay, lengthy process. So I have to get here the login, okay, like OTP as well. Okay, so wait for a few minutes guys, only for few seconds. Okay, only for few seconds. So I'll try the another way. Okay, and I'll go with WhatsApp, continue, and I'll just click this last so I'll get the new code OTP here. So although it is going to change, okay, every time, so you can see it. Don't worry, no worries at all. I can fully trust you. So guys, now here is the our Facebook handle. You can just follow me here also. Okay, so I'll just click save. Okay, it is a bit lengthy process, so just again click the button, share on Facebook. So hit it now. So we can see here, we got here the prompt, okay, to post our thought, to post our feelings. Okay, so I'm going to hit the button share. So posting, you can see it's now posted. ER Prabhat Pandit, love isn't something find you, love is something that finds you. Okay, so this is it. Okay, so return to the our app also. So guys, now let me just refresh this page also. Then also we will be able to see our dark mode. Okay, because I have saved each and everything in the local storage, so it is going to persist. Okay, it will remain here after the page reloading, also after the page refreshment as well. Okay, so refresh the page. You can see here dark mode is still here. Refresh it one more time. You can see here the dark mode is still here, and we can see the notification also as soon as it's a success. Okay, so the awareness of our own strength makes us modest. Okay, and this is the author, read it.
The awareness of our own strength makes us modest.
Okay, so guys,
Paul Cezanne.
we can get the new code from here also. We can read the code.
There are two primary choices in life: to accept conditions as they exist or accept responsibility for changing them.
Okay,
Dennis Waitley.
so guys, I hope I've explained you. Let me just cut, okay, extra tabs. Okay, if we need, we can again log in also. So guys, I have explained you each and everything, and we can get the new code every time whenever we will click this button, new code, and we can see the notification also. And I have created here the UI using the ant design as well. Let me just show you the ant design 5.0. Okay, so guys, this is the Ant Design 5.0. Go to the components. You can just come here and you can just read this and how to use this in your React app, in your React application. You can use this to create HTML, simple HTML website also, Angular, React or Vue website as well. Okay, so this is the Ant Design I'm going to use. Okay, so close this. I showed you. Okay, so guys, this is the feature, this is the functionality. We can copy this also. Okay, we can tweet also. I showed you. Let me just show you one more time. Okay, but I'm not going to post anything, so cut this out. Okay, let me just go to the LinkedIn. Okay, I showed you also. Let me just give you the let me just show you one more time. You can see here, we can post our the same codes also. So close this. Let me just close this, leave. Okay, we can just share the same post or the code on the Facebook as well. Okay, we can see here. Let me just, okay, so we can see here. Let me just close this. Okay, I don't want to post anything as of now. Okay, so guys, now let's get started and let's learn and let's build this. Okay, React random code generator with me, er Prabhat Pandit. Okay, and we can read the code
I
also.
hope our wisdom will grow with our power, and teach us that the less we use our power, the greater it will be.
Okay, so
Thomas Jefferson.
okay, so here we can see here the I have I will teach you also how to, okay, apply, okay, how to create your app, React app, and how to apply dark mode as well as the light mode as well, and how to dynamically we can change the background color of this tooltip as well. Okay, you can see here dynamically, guys. I'm going to change the background color of this tooltip also from red to blue. Okay, from red to blue. Okay, whenever we are going to switch the theme, whenever we are going to apply the dark mode or light mode, I'm going to show you guys each and everything in depth, in details. Okay, so guys, just let be here and watch the entire video till last. And guys, don't try to skip the video, don't try to fast forward the video. Otherwise, if you will miss something, you will miss each and everything from this video, from this session, and at the end you will scratch your head and you will just, okay, condemn yourself that why should I why skip the video, forwarded the video. Okay, forwarded the video as well. Okay, and you are just, okay, going to waste your entire time. Okay, so don't do that. Don't fast forward the video, don't skip the video. Watch the entire video thoroughly and very carefully and very patiently, and sit back and be relaxed, because you're going to learn something new, something awesome, something great. Okay, from this video, from this session in React itself. Okay, with me, er Prabhat Pandit. But guys, before starting of the video, I would like to request you all, please guys, subscribe to my YouTube channel Code with er, and please guys press the bell icon also, so that you will get to know that, okay, so that you will get to know whenever I will upload the new video in the playlist. Okay, you will be notified also. And please guys, okay, like this video also, which will give me the confidence, which will give me the motivation to create awesome videos like this for you on each and every topic of web development and full stack development also, and on service now as well. Okay, please guys, I need your help, I need your support. Please guys, consider me as a friend, consider me as a brother, and you can help me by liking this video also, and by subscribing to my this YouTube channel as well. Okay guys, your guys, listen to me very carefully. Okay guys, listen to me very carefully. Okay guys, your one subscriptions means a lot. Okay guys, your one subscription, your one likes means a lot to me. Okay, please guys, subscribe now and please support me. Okay, it means a lot to me, your one subscriptions. Okay, I hope you will do now, you will subscribe now my the channel Code with er. You will like this video also, and you will give me the feedback also about my voice, about my session, about my tutorial. Okay guys, it can be negative, it can be positive also. The feedback can be negative and the positive as well. Okay, I just need the feedback. And guys, do try to comment in the comment section below also what you have learned new from this video, from this session. Okay, so I hope you will subscribe now my the channel Code with er, and you will support this brother of yours, and you will help this brothers of yours. Okay, so let's get started and let's learn and let's create this awesome random code generator app in React. Okay, along with the lot of features and the functionalities as well. Okay, so guys, now let me just go to the code editor. So guys, here I'm going to use the VS Code editor. Guys, you are free to use the IDE of your choice, of your preferences. Okay, so guys, let's get started and let's code. Okay, so I'm going to create here a new file first. I'll just say here React random code codes app dot .jsx. Okay, so save the file in components folder only, hit save. Okay, so let me just import here React. Okay, React, and I'm going to import here two hooks also, use effect and use state as well. Okay, so this is it. Let me just import here the tooltip and notification from the and design UI library as well. Okay, I'll just import here the tooltip, okay, and the notification as well. Okay, so this is it. I'm going to import here the loader. Okay, let me just show you this loader. Okay guys, this loader I'm going to import. Okay, this loader also. Okay, I showed you this loader. Okay, so come to the code now. I'll say here clip loader. So remove this curly braces. Okay, so we don't need curly braces at all, and I'll just say here clipboard. Okay, clipboard. Okay, clip or say here clip uh, loader, clip loader. Okay, so we have to be very careful while importing the things, okay, from anywhere. Okay, so this is it. Let me just import here the uh, css also. I have already written here, although like it's a like very minute, very simple css. Okay, so I'll just say here code app.css. Okay, so just close this. So guys, this is it. Let me just create here one const also. I'll say here const react code app equal to open and closing parenthesis equal to, I'll use here the fat arrow function. Okay, so let me just return all the things. Let me just create here the wrapper div or container div, we can say anything. Let me just give here the class name also. Okay, so let me just give here the we can give here guys. Okay, say here position relative. Okay, position relative, and I can give here the margin top also 3, and I can give here margin bottom also 3. Okay, so this is it. Okay, and let me just close this div. Okay, so guys, first of all let me just create here a couple of, okay, state variables as well. Okay, so guys, be very careful because I'm going to create here couple of state variables as well. Okay, so guys, now I'm going to create here first a couple of state variables. Okay, so let me just come here. I'll say here const, I will just say here code. Okay, code, and I'll just say here set. Okay, code from where, of course from use state, and as of now just give it a blank or the empty string. Okay, I'll go to, I will create here another state variable. So I'll just create here 6 to 7 state variables. Okay, so I'll just say here author to show the author. I'll just say here set, okay, author equal to user state. Okay, and guys, I hope you know what I am doing here. Okay, so guys, this, okay, this is known as the array destructuring, and guys, this and this first element is known as the state variable. Okay, and guys, this second element is known as the state updater function. Similarly, this author is known as the state variable, and this set author is known as the state updater function. Okay, so this is it. Okay, so guys, now let me just create here another state variable. I'll just say here tag. Okay, or say here tags, and I'll just say here set, okay, tags. Okay, to show the tag. Okay, like a business, or like a business I showed you. Here is the tag. Okay, you can see here famous quotes, history, politics, and friendship. Okay, you can see here these are the tags. Okay, I have shown here the tags also, famous quotes, history, politics, and friendship. Okay, so I destroy my enemies when I make them my friends. Okay, see guys, how cool and how awesome code it is. Okay, so guys, we don't have to hate anyone. Okay, this is the like what it says. Okay, I destroyed my enemies when I make them my friends. Okay, so guys, we don't have to hate anyone, and we don't have to create any enemies in our life, in our okay, we have to be guys very polite and very modest with anyone. We don't have to be very rude, we don't have to be very arrogant, we don't have to be very stubborn with anyone. Okay guys, everyone is fighting their own battle in their life. Okay guys, listen to me very carefully. Everyone is fighting their own battle in their own life. Okay, so we have to be very kind, we have to be very polite, we have to be very sympathetic about them, we have to be very cool with them. Okay, because they are fighting their own battle in their life. Okay, so this is it. Okay, so I destroyed my enemies when I make them my friends. Okay, so this is it. So this is the tags I have shown here. So come to the code now. I'll just say here use state. Okay, and I'll just give here so this is the array. Okay, so this tags is the array. So I've given here the blank or the empty array. Okay, initial value. I'm going to create here another const or the state variable. I'll just say here loading. Okay, I'll just say here set loading, and as of now use state. So initial value will be I'll just give here the initial value as a false. Okay, so give here initial value as a false. Okay, I'll just create here another state variable. I will just say here error to show the error. Okay, so I will just show the error also. Set error and use state. So guys, in this way we can use the user state in our React app, in our React application. Okay, so as of now just give blank or the empty string the default value of this error state variable. Okay, I'll just say here const, I'll just say here dark mode. Okay, to show the dark mode, to apply the dark mode. Okay, I'll just say here dark mode equal to use state. Okay, and as of now just give here the false. Okay, because initially it should be light mode, or the it should be light mode. Okay, so this is it. I'm going to create here another special state variable. Okay, so this is the state variable. Okay, special state variable to show the and design notification. Okay, and design notification. Okay, so context holder, I'll just say here notification dot use notification. Okay, from the ant design UI library. Okay, so guys this is the few state variables. Okay, so now let me just create here the div now. Okay, so I'm going to create I'm going to make this classes dynamic class using the backtick. Okay, okay, so dynamically we will apply here the dark mode as well. Okay, so I'll just give here another class quote container, and dynamically I will apply the using the this. So class name, and I'll just copy this dark mode from here and just to paste it here. So say here export default and React code app. Okay, so class name, let me just check, is there any issue? Okay, it's a and guys, we have to use your dollar sign. Okay, so it was previously and. Okay, like a mistake. Okay, but we have to put here dollar sign. Okay, so that's why I was little confused. Okay, what is the issue here? So I'll just apply here bg. Okay, so guys sorry for the disturbance. Okay, so now we will apply here, if dark mode is true we will apply here bg dark, and I'll apply here text white as well. Okay, text white also. If it is false we will apply the blank or the empty class. Okay, so guys this is it. So let me just create here the button to apply the dark mode. Okay, so I'm going to create here the button to apply the dark mode. Okay, so let me just create here the button to apply the dark mode. Okay, so I'll just create here the button also first. So button, and close this button. Now let me just say here dynamically I'm going to change the text using this dark mode state variable. So I will just use here this open and closing curly braces. Okay, if dark mode is true, okay, we will apply here. If dark mode is true, we will apply here light mode. Okay, like light mode, otherwise we will apply the text. I'll say here dark mode. Okay, so let me just as of now just save the file. Okay, so we have to call this component in our app.jsx. So come here, let me just go to the browser first. So we can see here this is the previous app. So let me just comment this out. Okay, comment this out. Okay, and we have to now, okay, import our this react code. Okay, in our app.jsx. Okay, so I'm going to do that import. Okay, react code app, copy this from here, and so just paste it here, save the file, have a look in the browser. You can see here dark mode. Okay, so as of now we can see here so let me just bring it here. So I'm sorry, bring it here. Okay, so as of now we can see here the dark mode is false. Okay, so we can see here this dark mode. Okay, you can see here this dark mode. Let's just make it okay true. Okay, so we can see here now light mode. Okay, you can see here it's applied, and you can see here light mode also. So dark mode is now applied. Okay, so dynamically we will change it. Okay, whenever user will click this button. Okay, so let it be as of now. Okay, so I'm going to give here the classes also on this button. I'll just say here I'm going to use here dynamic class. Okay, using the backtick. Okay, so I'll just say here btn. I will just say here btn tag. Okay, and now margin top I'll give you a 3 also. And now I'll just apply the classes also dynamically. Okay, so classes also using the dollar sign, open and closing curly braces. Okay, so let me just copy this state variable dark mode. Okay, and based on this I will apply the classes. Okay, so if this is true, okay, if this is true, I'll apply here vg white. Okay, and I'll just apply here vg white, and I'll just say here text dark. Okay, and if this is false, we will apply here the blank or the empty string. Okay, so just we can see here vg dark is now applied because okay because we can see here button dark. Okay, and let me just make this true. Okay, I want to give you guys okay each and everything. You can see here now the button background is white. You can see here vg white. So just reward this. Okay, so and this is it. Okay, so now we have to give here the tooltip as well. Okay, I want to show this tooltip also on button. So copy this tooltip from here and just enclose this button. Okay, so not entire things, copy only the tooltip. Okay, so just paste here, close this, and just cut this out and just paste it here. I will apply here the title. I'll give you the title as well. Okay, I'll just say here toggle theme. Okay, toggle theme, and I'll just give you placement. Okay, top, this is it, and I'll just apply here the color also dynamically. Okay, so let me just create here the dynamically. Okay, using the backtick. Okay, so I'll just if dark mode is copy this state variable. Okay, if this dark mode is true, we will apply here different class. Okay, so if dark mode is true, we will apply here the blue class. Okay, otherwise we will apply here the red class. Okay, save the file, have a look in the browser. You can see here it's a red, background color is red. Okay, and let's just make it okay true. It will now become blue. See, okay, so just control Z. Okay, so guys, I want to finish this video little quickly. Okay, so this is it. Okay, so guys, now we have to click like we have to create here one function also, and we have to apply that function whenever this button is going to be clicked by the user. Okay, so I'm going to do that now. I'll just say here on click. Okay, on click, and I'm going to use here the anonymous fat arrow function like this. Okay, so let me just copy this set dark mode. Okay, so just paste it here, and we will just use here the pre value or the current value of this state variable dark mode. Okay, so guys, this prev, okay guys, this prev is the current value or the previous value of this dark mode state variable. Okay, of this dark mode state variable. Okay, so in this way I'm going to use your factor function, and I'll just negate it. Okay, this pre value, I'll just negate it, save the file, have a look in the browser. Now click, you can see now the dark mode and the light mode is now being applied dynamically. Okay, and at the same time we can change this. Okay, tooltip background color as well. Okay, so this is it. Come to the code now. So now below this tooltip, I'm going to copy this context holder. It is very important to show the notification of this ant design. Okay, notification of this ant design. Okay, so we have to let me just give here the comment also. Very important, very important to show notification from ant design. Okay, this is it. Okay, this is it. Okay, so guys, now let's just create here h2 element also. I'm going to create here one h2 element. Okay, so I'll just create here very quickly. So just to give the class name also, I'll say here class name font weight. Okay, bold. I'll just give here the display also. I'll give here 4. Okay, so display 4, and I'll just give here the text also. So let me just copy the text. Okay, from the previous example itself. Okay, so copy this. Okay, text from here and just paste it here. So this is it. Save the file, have a look in the browser. So let me just make it okay h5. Okay, so this looks also cool. Okay, so this is it. Okay, so guys, now I'm going to use this state variable loading. Okay, so copy it, we are going to check. Okay, we are going to check. Okay, so first of all I'll just check here if loading is still true or not. Okay, if loading is still true, so we will apply here using the ternary operator. Okay, I'm going to use here the ternary operator. Okay, so loading is still true, and let me just close this, otherwise it will give the okay, so this is it. So we have to ideally give here either the div or the this. Okay, JSX fragments. Okay, so let me just give here something also. So I'll just create here div. Okay, so error is gone now. So close this div. Okay, I'm going to give here the class name also. I'll just say here class name, dynamically I will apply here class name using the backtick. Okay, I'll just give here display or d flex, justify content center, and I'll just give you align items also center. So open the save the file. Okay, so we have to show here the loader. Okay, so let me just give here the inline like a style sheet also. Okay, so using the double curly braces, I'll just say here min height, I'll give here min height of 200 px. Okay, so this is it. So let me guys copy this. Okay, ClipLoader component from here, and now we will just say here. Okay, so it is a custom component. Okay, so we can give here the color as well. I'll just give you a color red, and we can give here the size attribute as well. I'll give here 80. Okay, so just save the file, have a look in the browser. So you can see here loading. Okay, it's still false, so let me just make it true and see. if we can see the loader, so we can see here the loader also, and the color is red. Okay, so you can see here loader is now here. So let's just make it false. Okay, so this is it. So we will just change this, okay, state from false to true whenever we will write our function. Okay, so guys, as of now, this is it. Okay, and in this here I'm going to check for this error. Okay, you can see here this error state variable, so copy it from here and I'll just paste it here for the error state variable. If error is true, we will show another thing. Okay, if this error is not, there is not any error, so we will just show the another things also. So let me just create here the so guys, this is known as the JSX fragments. Okay guys, this is known as the JSX fragments. Okay, so let me just create here. So first of all, I'm going to check here for the error. Okay, if there is any error, so now we will just say here, let me just create here h3 element. Okay, h3 element, and I'll just give here the class name also as a error only, and I'll just show the error also, this error state variable. Okay, we will apply, okay, we will use this set error state variable to update this error. Okay, whenever we will write our function. Okay, so just this is it. Okay, if there is any error, we will show the error also. Okay, so now we will just create here one button also to refresh. Okay, to reload the codes from the external API. Okay, from the external API. Okay, so so guys, we all know what is the full form of API. Okay, application programming interface. Okay, so guys, this API works as a bridge between our application and between the third party API, or between the server or the network. Okay, so guys, you can think of, okay, API as the bridge. Okay guys, you can think of the API as the bridge between your application, between the client side, and between the your server, or between the network. Okay, so guys, it is going to bridge the gap between your app and the server or the third party API. So we can think of the API as a waiter. Okay guys, we can think of the API as a waiter as well. Okay, it is going to serve the food from the external API, from the network. Okay, this is it. Okay, I hope you are getting me very clearly. I'll give you the class name also. I'll say here btn. I'll say here danger. Okay, so I'll just say here retry. Okay, retry. Okay, this is it. And on this button of click also, I'll just call the same method. So on click of this, I'll just call the same method get, okay, code. Okay, so we have to define this, okay, method now, get code. Okay, so as of now, just copy this and just come here. I'll just say here const this give equal to, I'll use here the fat arrow function always. Okay, so close this. So now in this way we won't have any error. Okay, in this way we won't have any error, and we can see the things also in our browser. Okay, on our browser, so save the file, we can see there is nothing at all. Okay, so let's just make this. Okay, I want to show you something for the last time. Let's just make it, okay, true, and let's just make this error also as a false. Okay, or make it true. Okay, so let's just try to make it false. Okay, make this false. So okay, so loading. Okay, it is inside the loading. Okay, so that's why we have to make everything. Okay, so error is also false. Okay, loading is also false. Okay, so make this, okay, loading true. Okay, make this loading true, and I'm just trying to show you the things also. Okay, so make this true also, and try to make this, okay, true as well. So let me just, okay, if this is true, it will come here. Okay, and if this is false, it will come here. So Okay, retry button. So let's just try to make this loading false. Yeah, we can see here the button now, retry. Okay, retry is here now. Okay, so retry button is here now. Okay, but as of now let's just make each and everything so blank, so let it so this loading will be false only. So this is it. Okay, so this is it, I showed you how it is going to work. Okay, so guys, this is known as the conditional rendering in React. Okay, and we have used here the JavaScript, okay, ternary operator. Okay, we have used here JavaScript, okay, ternary operator. Okay, so let me just open this. Okay, JSX fragments. Okay, and now we are going to show the codes, we are going to show the tags also, and we are going to show the author as well. Okay, so I'm going to create here one div also below this inside this. Okay, JSX fragments. Okay, I'll give you the class name also. I'll just say here quote box, and I'll just say here position relative. So close this div. Okay, and inside this div, okay, we have to. So guys, now let me just write this method. Okay, get code. Okay, so guys, now let me just write this method get code. Okay, I'm going to do that now. Okay, so just come here up. Okay, and then we will define the other things. Okay, then we will define the other things. Okay, so let me just come here inside this code. Okay, I'm going to define it now. Okay, so I'll just say here. So guys, let me just first of all we have to set here this loading as a true, because we want to show the loader. Okay, while our code is being fetched. Okay, while our data is being ready, I want to show this loader also. So I'll just say here make it true. Okay, and copy this set error state variable. So we are going to remove the previously error. If there is any error, they are going to remove it also. So this is it. Okay, so now I'm going to create here the I'm going to use here the try catch block. Okay, I'm going to use here the try catch block. Okay, so let's just define here the catch also, and here we will catch the error. Okay, like this. Okay, so just close this. I'll use here the finally block as well. Okay, I'll use here the finally block as well. Okay, so guys, we all know that finally block is going to be executed. Guys, always remember this finally block is going to be executed no matter what is the result, no matter what is the output of these two try and catch block. Okay, guys, always remember this finally block is going to be executed, is going to be run every time, no matter the output, no matter the outcome, okay, of these two blocks, try block or the catch block. Okay, it is going to run every time. Okay, regardless of the outcome of these two try and catch block. Okay, this is it. Okay, I hope you are getting me very carefully. I'm going to create here one const as well. I'll just say here const with the response equal to, I'll use here the JavaScript fetch method. Okay, and let me just copy the URL from the previous example. Okay, in this way we don't have any issue. Okay, we will have no or the zero issue. Okay, so let's just copy this from here and just paste it here. Okay, so paste it here. So guys, this is the API. Okay guys, this is the URL of the API. Okay guys, this is the URL of the API. We are going to hit. Okay, we are going to fetch the JSON data from this API dot quotable.io /random. Okay, so guys, this is the URL of the API. Okay, it is going to give us the JSON data. Okay, it is going to give us the JSON data. Okay, this is it. Okay, so guys, now first of all I'm going to check. Okay, so first of all let me just console.log here the response. Okay, I'll just say here console dot log. Okay, so for this guys, console.log response. Okay, so for this guys, to get okay like a code guys, to get okay, so guys in this way guys, we have just defined here our the method, okay, code, okay, but how to execute this, how to run this, okay, how to execute this method get code, how to run this method get code, okay, whenever our component is mounted guys, whenever our component is going to be mounted for the first time, how to run this method, okay, get code, okay, how to run this method get code, okay, whenever our component is going to be mounted for the first time, okay, how to do that, okay. As of now we have just defined this function, okay, as of now we have just defined this function, but it is not going to run, okay, it is not going to execute on its own, okay, we have to call this method, we have to run this method, okay, explicitly, okay, then only this get code is going to be executed, then it is going to run, okay. So how to do that whenever our component is going to be mounted for the first time, how to do that? So guys, that's why we have used here this use effect hook, okay. So guys, we all know this use effect hook is going to be executed as soon as our component is going to be mounted, okay. Guys, we all know this use effect is going to be executed, going to run, okay, as soon as our component is going to be mounted. So for this I'm going to use here this, okay. So let me just use here the fat arrow function, and let me just give here the blank or the empty, okay, dependency array, okay. So guys, this okay square bracket is known as the dependency array, okay, and this means okay it has no any value, this means this is going to executed only once, okay, this means this is going to be executed only once whenever our component is going to be mounted, okay. So let me just call this code from here, and let me just call it from here, okay. So in this way, whenever our component is going to be mounted, we will call this, we will run this get code method, okay. So just save the file, have a look in the browser, okay. So let me just go to the console, go to the console, and we can see here we got the promise, okay. You can see here we got the promise only, okay. So you can see here FALSE. So I hope there is some issue. Where is the FA? So no, let me just refresh it one more time, and we can see here we got the promise here, okay. So guys, we can see here we got the promise, okay, and guys we can see here, here is the status, okay. Okay is true, okay. So guys, we are going to check, okay, if this status is true or false, okay. Guys, we are going to check here if this okay okay is true or not, okay. From this promise, okay, from this promise we are going to check, okay, if this status okay is true or false, okay. So we are going to do that now. So let me just come here, I'm going to do that now, okay. So I'll just use here the if block, okay. I'll just check with this response, okay, if this is okay or not, okay, using the negation, okay. I'll say here dot okay, you can see here okay is true, okay. If this is true, then we will get the data. If this is false, we will get the error message as well, okay. Guys, if this okay is true, we will get the data, okay, response is okay. And if this okay okay is false, then there is an issue, we won't get the data, we will get the error message as well, okay. So just come here, and now we will just check, okay. We are going to just check now, okay. If this is not okay, we will just say here throw new error, okay. And we will say here something went wrong, please try again later, okay. This is it, okay. So guys, if this is true, okay, so our control will come to this, okay, if block, and it will encounter this error, and the control will directly jump to this catch block, okay. This control will directly jump to this catch block if this encounter, if the control encounter this issue, okay. So if this is not the case, our control will not come to this if block, and we will get the data, okay. So we will get the data if our control will not come to this block, which means everything is okay, everything is fine, okay, and this catch block will not be executed, okay, but this finally block will be executed every time, okay, no matter the output, no matter the outcome of these two try and catch block, okay. This is it, okay. I hope I'm clear enough, I'm strong enough, I'm good enough to explain you the things also, okay. So I'm going to create here one another const with the data, okay, with the data equal to, I'll say here this response dot json, okay, this response dot json, okay. So we are going to get here the data, okay, in the json format, okay. So guys, we will say here this response dot json, because we are going to get the data in the json format from the external API from the server, okay, and we have to use that JSON data to show the required or the needed, okay, data or the value or the information to our user on the browser. This is it, okay, this is it, okay. So guys, this is it. Let me just console.log here the data also for you only. I'll say here console.log and I'll just say here data, okay. So save the file, have a look in the browser. Let me just refresh one more time the page also. So okay, so I guess we have to call this, okay, method on or we can, or let me guys, okay, make this, okay, method async method, okay. Let me just convert this method into the async method, okay. So I'm going to use here async, okay, keyword, okay, async method, okay. So I'm going to convert this method into the async method, okay. So let's just give you equal to, and let's just remove this, okay. So we have to use here the await keyword now, okay. So await, okay, and now we will just wait for the response also, okay. So this await is going to wait for the response, okay, and after this, okay, like after this guys line, okay, this await line, our code will stop executing, okay, unless and until this promise is not resolved, okay. So guys, this is the promise, okay, we are getting the promise, okay, and this we are waiting also for the promise to be resolved or to be rejected, okay. If we will if the promise is resolved, we will get the data. If promise is rejected, we will get the error message as well, okay. So this is it. Save the file, have a look in the browser now. So let me just refresh the page one more time, okay. So see, boom guys, boom, we got our data also. This is the author, okay, author slug, okay, content date added, okay, date modified, length is this, and tag is this, and this is the content, okay. This is the code, okay. Whenever you have eliminated the impossible, whatever remains, however improbable must be the truth, okay. So guys, this is the data, we are getting it, and we are using here async method, okay. So we have to use here this keyword await in our async method, okay guys. This, okay, await keyword is going to work only inside this async method only, okay, inside this async function only, get code, okay. And this await, okay, keyword is used to wait for the promise to be resolved, okay. If promise is resolved, we will get the response. If promise is rejected, we will get the error message also. And this await keyword means also that, okay, this line will be executed, okay, and this will wait, okay, and this line will wait, and once it is resolved, okay, we will see the data as well, okay. We will see the data as well, okay. So this is it, await keyword we have used here inside the async method, okay. So in this way we can also guys use here the dot then method, okay. We can also use here the dot then method, but we have to remove this try catch and finally block, okay. So let it be all only this async method only, okay. So I've explained you what it is all about, okay. I'm very sorry, okay. So Now I'm going to so now our data is, we are getting the data. So let me just copy this, okay, code state updater function, and we will just update, okay, this code. Okay, so let me just say here, paste it here, and now we will just say here. So you can see guys, inside the data we have got the content. Okay, we have got the content. Okay, inside the data we have got the content, we have got the author, and we have got the tags as well. Okay, and this tags again is an array. Okay, you can see here this tags is again an array. Okay, okay, so just come to the code. Now we will say here data dot, okay, this content. Okay, this content dot content. Okay, and now we will update this author as well. So copy this set author from here and just paste it here, and we will just update with this data dot, we will say here dot author to get this author. Okay, so I'll say here author, this is it. And now we will just, okay, update, okay, this tags also. This is an array, this tags is an array, I showed you this is an array, okay, of only one element as of now. So we will just say here this and we will just say here data, okay, data dot tags. Okay, so guys, this is it. Okay, so guys, as of now this is it. So come to the this catch block also. So we will just define here this catch block also. So copy this, okay, set error state variable from here, or the state updater function set error. Okay, sometime I say state variable instead of state updater function, so you can just try to you can just understand. Okay, so guys, I explained you set code, set author, set tags, set loading, set error. Okay, set dark mode is known as the state updater function. Okay, this is it. Okay, so we will just update with this error also. So I'll just say here we can say here error, okay, dot message. Okay, error dot message. If we can show our the text also using the or operator or the double pipe operator, we will say here something went wrong, try again. Okay, this is it. So now inside the finally block I explained you what it is all about. We will just, okay, set this set loading to, again we will just set it to false. Okay, so just come here, again we will make it false. Okay, so guys, as of now our this method is now defined. Okay, get code is now defined, and we are calling this, okay, get code method. Okay, whenever our page is going to be load, whenever our component is going to be load. Okay, using the use effect, okay, state, I mean using the use effect, okay, hook. Okay, hook. Okay, so this will load every time whenever our component is going to be mounted. Okay, using this use effect hook. Okay, and we are calling this get method, which we have defined here. Okay, and this is the async function. Okay, and we have to use here the await keyword. Okay, wait for the response, wait for the promise to be resolved. Okay, this is it. Okay, very simple, very straightforward, and very easy. Okay, I've explained you. Okay, so guys, now just save the file, and as of now just refresh the page also. So now we have to now show the code also. We have to now show the everything also. Okay, I explained you. So let me just come to the code now, and below this, okay, inside this div, they're going to show each and everything. Okay, they're going to show each and everything. Okay, so we have to do that now. Okay, so now I'm going to create here p element. Okay, first, so close this p, and let me just give here the class name also. I'll say here code. Okay, I'll say here display also. I'll give you a display 5. Okay, and I'll just say here this code. Okay, copy this state variable code, and I explained you we are also going to update, okay, each and everything. Okay, here the code, the author, and the tags. Okay, I've explained you very well. Okay, it is going to consume a lot of time also, if I will keep you explaining you again and again. Okay, so this is it. Okay, so now just copy this p, okay, and just paste it here. So let me just change the class name also, and I'll just say here the author. Okay, so just say here author class. Okay, let's just give here the back double quote also. This is it. Okay, and let me just say here. Okay, so let's just give a space, and let's just make this author strong. Okay, so strong, and close this strong, so cut it out, and cut it out and just paste it here. So as of now guys, just save the file and have a look in the browser how it is going to look. Okay, so save the file, have a look in the browser now. So see, boom guys, we got our code also, and we can see here we got our like the author as well. Okay, so let me just okay, so let me just copy. Okay, we have to change here the author. Okay, so copy this author state variable from here. Okay, copy this author state variable from here and just replace with this code. Simple. Save the file, have a look in the browser, we can see here the code also. Okay, I mean the author also. Okay, so we have to create here now the button. Okay, so we have to create here guys now the button also, so they're going to do that now. Okay, so let me just create here the button to listen to the code. Okay, let me just create here the button to listen to the code. Okay, so I am going to create the button to listen to the code. Okay, so just close this button very quickly. Let me just give you the class name also. I'll say here btn. Okay, btn, I will just say here info, or inside this. Okay, inside this like JSX fragments. Okay, only. Okay, so button info, margin top I'll give you a 3 or 3, margin bottom also I'll give you a 3, and we will just say here read read code. So save the file, we can see here the button read code now. Okay, so let me just copy this icon. Okay, let me just copy this icon very quickly. Okay, copy this icon and just paste it here, so we can see the icon also. Okay, so guys let me just give here the button secondary. Okay, so button secondary. Okay, so now we have to call a method. Okay, whenever button is going to be clicked by the user. Okay, so on click of this button we are going to call here one method. Okay, on click of this button we will say here speak. Okay, speak code. So we have to define this method now. So guys, here we are going to use here the uh, like a web API. Okay, inbuilt in our browser. Okay, speech. Okay, synthesis web API built in into our browser. Okay, built into our browser. Okay, so I'll just use the web API. Okay, so built in our only in our inside our web browser only. Okay, so I'll use here the flatter function, and I will use here the speech. Okay, synthesis. Okay, web API. Okay, built in into our web browser only. Okay, this is it. Okay, so I'll just create here one const also. I'll just say here speak. Okay, I'll just say here speak equal to, I'll just use here the web API built into our web browser only. Okay, this is it. Okay, so I'll just say here new. Okay, new speech. Okay, new speech, say here new speech synthesis utterance. Okay, you can see here utterance. Okay, you can see here this is the web API. Okay, this web speech API interface represent a speech request. It contains the content the speech service should read, and the information about how to read it. Okay, language, pitch and volume. Okay, so guys, this is the inbuilt web API. Okay, speech. Okay, synthesis utterance. Okay, so we have to provide here the text. Okay, so let me just, as of now, let me just give here the simple text. Okay, I'll say here hello. Okay, I'll say here hello Prabhat Pandit. Okay, So we have to provide here the text. Okay, we have to provide here the text which we have to which we want to read or listen to. Okay, this is it. Okay, we will just say here window dot, we will just say here window dot. Okay, so let me just see if it is auto suggesting or not. I'll say here speech synthesis. Okay, we will say here speech synthesis dot speak. Okay, dot speak. Okay, and what to speak, guys? Of course this is speak. Okay, so save it here, and you can see here window dot speech synthesis dot speak. Okay, which means read or pronounce the text. Okay, what we have provided here. It means read or pronounce the text what we have provided here inside this. Okay, a parenthesis of this new speech synthesis utterance. Okay, so this is the inbuilt Windows or the browser Viv API. Okay, we don't have to do anything. Okay, this is it. Okay, save the file, have a look in the browser. So as of now it will say here hello Prabhat Pandit. Whenever we will click this button read code. Okay, so hit it now, read code.
Hello Prabhat Pandit.
See, boom, guys.
Hello Prabhat Pandit.
See,
Hello Prabhat Pandit.
but we want to read this code now. Okay, but we want to read this code now. So come to the code now, and just to remove this we will provide here the code. What is the issue? There is no issue at all. Okay, so we will just provide here the code using the backtick. I'm going to make it dynamic now. Okay, so we'll just say here dollar sign, and we will just copy this code. Okay, and paste it here. So just save the file, have a look in the browser. So now it is going to read the entire code. Okay, by accepting yourself and being fully what you are, your presence can make other happy. So hit the button read code now.
By accepting yourself and being fully what you are, your presence can make others happy.
See, boom, guys. See,
By accepting yourself and being fully what you are, your presence can make others happy.
see, boom. It's doing great. It's doing fantastic. Okay, but I want to read the author name as well. So I'm going to give here the author name as well. Okay, using the curly braces or dollar sign. So copy this author also, and just we can, guys, put anything. I showed you with the simple example as well, using the simple string as well. Okay, so hit the button read code.
By accepting yourself and being fully what you are, your presence can make others happy. Jane Roberts.
See, boom, guys. Now it is going to read the author name as well. Hit again.
By accepting yourself and being fully what you are, your presence can make others happy. Jane Roberts.
See, okay, so come to the code now. Okay, so I've explained you each and everything. So guys, now let me just create here the buttons. Let me just show you the tags also. I'm going to show here the tags as well. Okay, so let me just below this button only, I'm going to show the now the tags. Okay, all the tags. Okay, I want to show here. Okay, so now we are going to do that now below this button only. So I'm going to create here open and closing curly braces, and now let me just copy this tags state variable. It is an array. You can see here it is an array. This tags is an array, and set stack tags is going to update this array. Okay, so copy this tags array, and now we will check with its length property if there is any a single element inside this tags array. Okay, if this is the case, so now if this is the case, we are going to use here the double and it is going to in this way. This is known as the React conditional rendering. Okay, if left hand side is true, then only right hand side is going to be executed. Okay, this is it. I have explained you many times in my previous videos as well. Okay, so I am going to do that now. So I'm going to create here the div. Okay, so create a div. First of all, just close this div. Let me just give you the class name also. I'll just give you the class name as a tags. Okay, and I'll just give you a margin top. Okay, give here 3 to whatever it is. It is up to us. So now again I'll just use this. Okay, tags. Okay, and this is an array. This is an array. We can of course obviously apply the map method on this. Okay, so I'll say here tags dot map. Okay, map, and we will just say here tag. I'll just give you the index as well. I'll use the further function like this. So open this, and now inside this I'm going to use here the span element. So close this span element very quickly, and we can give here the class name also. Say here badge here, and I'll just say here me, give here 2 1, it's up to us only. Open this div, and now put here hash. Okay, and give a space, and now we want to show this tag only. Okay, so copy this whatever, what is this? Okay, suggestion here, auto suggestion. Okay, so just to paste it here, save the file, have a look in the browser now. So we got the issue, guys. Okay, we got here one issue. So tags dot length. Okay, so okay, you can see here, guys, it's a map. Okay, but it's map. Okay, map. So remove this b and say here p, save the file, have a look in the browser. See, boom, guys, we can see here the tag also, wisdom and family. Okay, so this code is all about wisdom and family. Okay, so guys, this code is all about wisdom and family. Okay, so to support mother and father, to cherish, okay, partner and children, and to be like engaged in peaceful occupation, this is the greatest blessing, the Buddha. So read it.
To support mother and father, to cherish partner and children, and to be engaged in peaceful occupation, this is the greatest blessing. The Buddha.
See how cool and how dynamic our application is. Okay, so guys, now I'm going to create here buttons now. Okay, so guys, now I'm going to create here the buttons. Okay, to fetch the random code again and again, to copy the code to the clipboard, and to share on the Facebook, to share on LinkedIn, to share on Twitter as well. Okay, I'm going to create the buttons now. Okay, so below this this, I'm going to create the buttons now. Okay, so I'll just create here another div also. I'll give the class name also. I'll say here buttons. Okay, to hold the all the buttons I explained you, to share on Facebook, to share on LinkedIn, to share on, okay, Twitter, copy to clipboard, and reload the get the new code. Okay, so I am going to do that now. So I'll just create here button and close this button very quickly. I'll just give here the class name also. I'll just say here btn. Okay, btn. I'll just say here success. I'll say here me uh, theory. Okay, we will just say here get new code, save the file, have a look in the browser. We got two button here. Okay, get new code. Okay, so whenever we will just click this button, we have to call this. Okay, we have to call this method again, get code. Okay, what is the issue? We are going to do that now. Okay, we are going to do that now. Okay, so just copy this method name get code, and on click of this button we will say here on click so just call this method. Okay, save the file, have a look in the browser now. Click this button, get new code. See, boom, guys, it's working fine. See, okay, we can read the code also.
Only through our connectedness to others can we really know and enhance the self. And only through working on the self can we begin to enhance our connectedness to others.
See,
Harriet Lerner.
get the new code. Okay, so this button is doing great. Let me just show here the icon as well. Okay, I want to show here the icon as well. So I'll say here I'll give here I'm going to use here the font or some icon. Okay, I'll say here fa refresh. Okay, and just to close this, give a little bit of space also. Save the file, have a look in the browser. We can see here now I'm going to create the button, copy to clipboard, but I want to show here the tooltip also on this button. So I will just create here the tooltip as well. and close this tooltip very quickly. So cut it out from here. I want to show guys each and everything. I want to make you the export, okay, in React, but okay, so cut it out and just enclose this button only. So this is it. So let me just give you the uh, placement also. I'll say here top. I will just give you the uh, title also. Get new code. Save the file. Have a look in the browser. See, we got to see the tooltip now. Get new code. We can give the color also if we want. See here, red. Okay, so this looks cool also, and this button is also doing great. Okay, we have shown here the loading spinner as well. Okay, so this is the world class, okay, random code generator app, guys. Okay, and I'm explaining you each and everything, okay, in details. Okay, so let me just create here another button, copy to clipboard. So copy this button only and just paste it here. I'll just give here the new text, copy to clipboard. Okay, copy to clipboard. Okay, so let me just change the class name also. I'll give you the class name as well, different class name. So I'll give you a different class name as a button danger. Okay, you can see here copy to clipboard, but we have to change the icon also. I'll say here file. We can see here file. Okay, so in this way, or we can say here copy. Okay, so we can see here copy icon as well. So let me just change the method name also, copy to clipboard. We will define this method now, copy to clipboard. Okay, we will define this method now. So come here and below this, okay, speak code, we are going to define it now. I'll just say here const, just paste it here. I'm going to use here fat arrow function like this. So copy to clipboard, we are going to define it now. Okay, so here they are going to use here the again javascript inbuilt, okay, web api method. Okay, I'll say here navigator. Okay, navigator dot, okay, navigator dot, it is going to suggest us the method name, navigator dot, I'll say here clipboard. Yeah, navigator dot clipboard dot, okay, write text. Okay, this method write text, and what to write, guys. Okay, whatever we have to write we can give here. Okay, let me just give here the simple text as of now. I'll say here hello developers. Okay, hello developers. Okay, so guys, this returns promise. Okay guys, this method returns the promise. Okay guys, this method returns the promise. Okay guys, this navigator dot clipboard dot write is going to return us the promise. Okay, sometime our copying copy to clipboard is success, sometime it is being restricted by the user, by the developer, by the website owner. Okay, sometime it is okay, sometime it is allowed to copy, but sometime it is restricted. Okay, so that's why it is going to give us the promise. So we will just say here dot then. Okay, if copy to clipboard is success, then this, okay, dot then method is going to run. Okay guys, this navigator dot clipboard dot write text is going to return one promise. Okay, if copy to clipboard is success, it will run this then method, otherwise it will run the catch method. Okay, because sometime copy to clipboard is allowed, provided, but sometime it is explicitly restricted, it is explicitly not allowed. Okay, so in that's why it gave us one promise, and if it is okay, if copy to clipboard is allowed, we will run this method. Otherwise we will run the catch method as well. Okay, so I'm going to do that now. Okay, dot then method, and I'm going to use the filter function like this. Okay, so this is it. So guys, I'm going to define here the I mean the notification as well. Okay, notification as well. Okay, so I'm going to define here the api. Okay, dot, okay guys, this api, okay, this api, okay, from the and design notification. Okay, I'll say here api dot success. So here I'm going to define here the success notification. Okay, if it is, if copy to clipboard is success or not. Okay, if this is success, we will run this we will get the notification saying your copy to clipboard is done. Okay, so we will just say here quote. Okay, quote copied to clipboard. Okay, copy to clipboard is okay, give comma. I'll just say here description also, and I want to show the description. Okay, the quote. Okay, as a description I want to show the quote only. So give here double quote and dollar sign, and now we will just, okay, copy this. Okay, quote only. So copy this quote state variable, and we will just say here, and now we will just say here has been copied to clipboard if it is allowed. Okay, and now I'll just show the duration of the notification as well. I'll give here 5 seconds. Okay, so this is it. Okay, so this is it. Okay, so if copy to clipboard is okay, we will get, okay, we will run this method dot then. Okay, otherwise if it is not okay, we will just get here the error message as well. Okay, we will get here the error message as well. Okay, so just close this, and now inside this I'll just say here dot catch. Okay, dot catch method now to catch the error, that what is the issue, if copy to clipboard is allowed or not. Okay, error if copy to clipboard is allowed or not. Okay, so this is it. Now we will just say here alert. Okay, alert, we will just say here failed to copy the code, failed to copy the code. Okay, I'll say here please try again. Okay, and now we will just say here console.log. I'll show the error also. So console.log, what is the issue, if copy to clipboard is allowed or not. Okay, so we'll just say here failed to copy, and we will just show this error also, what is the issue, if copy to clipboard is allowed or not. Okay, so guys, in this way we will, as of now we will just get this text. Okay, this is the static text. Okay, hello developers. Whenever we will whenever we will whenever we will just click this button copy to clipboard. Okay, we will just get here hello developers. Okay, so just save the file, and now hit the button copy to clipboard. You can see here copy to clipboard is now copied. Okay, so just come here and now try to paste it here and see what we are getting here. Okay, you can see here hello developers. Okay, so just remove this and put here anything. Okay, so just say here 3 dots and put here any random text. Okay, so as of now this is the static text. Okay, we are going to copy every time this text only whenever we will just click this button copy to clipboard. Okay, so hit it now. You can see here it is we got the message also, we got the notification, which means our copy to clipboard is okay, it is allowed. Okay, so just paste it here. See, they are getting the string, they are getting the text. Okay, so just remove this, but I want to copy here the code itself only, entire code. Okay, so just copy this code. Okay, along with the author name. Okay, along with the author name also. So just remove this. Use here backtick. Okay, and now I'll just say here double quote dollar sign this is the author, and now I want to copy the this is the code, I want to copy the author itself. Okay, so save it, copy it from here and just paste it here. So guys, now in this way we will copy the code as well as the author. Okay, every time. Okay, different code, different author. Okay, so refresh the page one more time, and let me just open this sublime text. Just open this sublime text. Let me just create a new file and just cancel this. It is asking every time to update it. Okay, so let me just copy this, click the button, copy to clipboard. See, we got the notification, which means it is okay. Okay, so just paste it here. You can see here, every time you smile at someone, it is an action of love, a gift to that person, a beautiful thing. Okay, you can see here, every time you smile at someone, it is an action of love, a gift to do that person, a beautiful thing. Okay, Mother Teresa. Okay, so you can see here Mother Teresa also. We can listen the
Every time you smile at someone, it is an action of love, a gift to that person, a beautiful thing.
Mother
Mother Teresa.
Teresa. Okay, so get the new quote. So copy this clip quote or the and the author as well. So click the button, copy to clipboard. See, impossibilities are merely things which we have not yet learned. Okay, Charles. Okay, so we can read this quote also.
Impossibilities are merely things which we have not yet learned. Charles W. Chestnut.
Okay, so this is doing great. Okay, so get the new quote, copy this quote as well as the author name. So it's copied now. We can see here, pure, holy simplicity co-found all the wisdom of this world and the wisdom of the flesh. Okay, so we can read this also.
Pure, holy simplicity confounds all the wisdom of this world and the wisdom of the flesh.
Okay, so
Francis of Assisi.
okay, get the new quote. We can copy it to clipboard also. It's copied now. See, all that necessary is to accept the impossible. You can see here, all that is necessary is to accept the impossible, do without the indispensable, and bear the intolerable. Okay, so we can see here the same quote. Okay, so it is doing great. Okay, so now I'm going to create here another button. Okay, just to share on the Twitter. Okay, the code. Okay, the entire code to share on the Twitter. Okay, so come to the code now, and just copy this button itself. Okay, copy this button, and let me just give here another class. Okay, I'll just say here, copy the code. Okay, so copy the code. Okay, I'll just say here, share the code on Twitter. I'll just share here, share the code on Twitter, formerly on X. Okay, formerly known as Twitter. Okay, I'm very sorry. So just say here button name, I'll just change here the button warning. Okay, warning. Save the file, and you can see here, copy to share on uh, share on Twitter. Save the file, have a look in the browser. So you can see here the tooltip also, share the code on Twitter and share on Twitter button also. So let me just rename the method or the function name. Okay, we'll just say here share on Twitter. Copy this method name, share on Twitter. So everything is doing great. Okay, so copy it, and we have to define this method now, share on Twitter. So below this copy to clipboard, I'm going to do that now. So just I'll use here the fat arrow function. Every time I would like to use here the fat arrow function. Okay, I love it, guys. Okay, so close this, and now we are going to define this now. Okay, so I'll just create here one const. Okay, not console, I'll say here const. I'll just say here Twitter URL. Okay, Twitter URL equal to, I'll just use here the backtick, and I'll just say here let me guys just copy the URL from the example only. Okay, it is a URL, so it should be very okay, like there should be no any single error. Okay, so copy this and just paste it here inside this backtick. Okay, so guys, this encode URI component is known as the URL like encoder. Okay, it is going to remove like any special character, any spaces. Okay, this is the functionality of this encode URI component. It is going to remove the special character, any special, okay, any code, HTML code from the URL tag. Okay, and what we are sharing here, the code and the author name itself. Okay, and what we are sharing here, the code and the author name. Okay, so this is it. Okay, so now they are going to open the URL. I'll just say here window dot open to open the URL in the blank or in the new tab. Okay, so copy this, okay, Twitter URL from here and just give comma. I'll just use here the double quote or single quote. I want to show open in the blank tab. Okay, in the blank tab. So just now we have defined this function share on Twitter. Save the file, have a look in the browser now. So now hit the button share on Twitter. So see, boom guys, we can see here our code is now being shared. Okay, it is doing great. Okay, close this again, click the button share on Twitter. See, all that is necessary is to accept the impossible, do without the indispensable, and bear the intolerable. Okay, so this is the author name and this is the the quote. Okay, this is it. Okay, so close this. I showed you and I've explained you very well also. Okay, we can now we have to apply the dark mode, but as of now we will just refresh the page. The dark mode is now gone. Okay, so we have to make it persistent. Okay, we have to make it persistent also. So come to the code now. Now we are going to do that now. Okay, we have to make this dark mode persistent. Okay, we have to make this dark mode, guys, the persistent dark mode. Okay, I mean to say the dark mode is going to be there. Okay, after the page refreshment as well. Okay, after the page refreshment also the dark mode is going to be there. Okay, so for this we have to use here the use effect. Okay, hook now. I'll say here use effect hook. I'm going to use now. I'll use here the fat arrow function. Okay, and as of now just give here the blank or the empty dependency array. Okay, so now we have to create here one const also. So I'll just create a const. I'll just say here saved. Okay, saved mode. Okay, which means dark mode or light mode. Okay, what is saved inside the local storage. Okay, what is saved inside the local storage, and we all know local storage is the mechanism of, okay, key value pair. We can only store the things there as a string, as a text. Okay, we can only store the things in the local storage as a string or as a text. Okay, simple string or a simple text. Okay, and it is the mechanism of key value pair. Okay, so this is it. Okay, so I'll say here local storage dot get item. We have to fetch. Okay, we have to check, okay, if there is anything inside the local storage. Okay, with the key okay, with the key dark mode. Okay, with the key dark mode. Okay, so guys, this is the key dark mode, but here we are using here this dark mode as a state variable. Okay, as a state variable. Okay, so this is the key as of now dark mode, because you can see here it is inside the double quote. Okay, it is inside the double quote, which means this is the simple string, this is the normal string, and it is as of now working as a key. Okay, it is now working as a key. Okay, we will use this key dark mode to check the local storage. Okay, to check the local storage for the theme. Okay, light mode or the dark mode. Okay, if it is true or if it is false. Okay, this is it. Okay, now we will just check it using the if, using this saved mode state variable. Now everything from this local storage, now everything from this local storage is now inside this saved mode. So we will just check it and we will just pass it. Okay, we will just pass it. Okay, using the I'll just say here copy this. Okay, set dark mode, we will just parse it and we will just parse it, and it will again become this. Okay, dark mode. it will again become this dark mode. Okay, after passing this string, after passing this string guys, it will again become the state variable dark mode. Okay, so now we will just copy this state variable, I mean the state updater function, this state updater function set dark mode. Okay, and we have to update it accordingly inside this if. Okay, so we will just say here, just to close this, and now we will just say here json okay dot parse, okay, to pass this string back into the javascript object or the array. Okay, this is it. Okay, javascript array or the object. Okay, so now just copy this saved mode and just paste it. Okay, so this is it. As of now the dependency array is empty, so this is going to run only once. Okay, whenever our component is going to be mounted, it is going to run only once, because as of now the dependency array is blank or the empty. Okay, there is nothing in the dependency array, so that's why it is going to run only once. Okay, save the file, have a look in the browser. You can see here now the dark mode is here. Refresh the page. Okay, you can see here now the dark mode is here. Refresh the page. Okay, you can see here. Okay, so see how cool and how dynamic it is. But as of now just refresh the page. Okay, so again it will be the dark mode only. Okay, again it is the dark mode only after we have like removed the dark mode also. Again refresh the page, again refresh the page, again it is the dark mode. Okay, again it is the dark mode. But we have to track here, we have to keep an eye on this dark mode. Okay, whether it is changing or not. Okay, if it is light mode or if it is dark mode. Okay, we have to keep an eye on this dark mode state variable. Okay guys, you can see here we are changing here the light mode or the dark mode state variable. But whenever page is being refreshed, okay, it is again going to apply the dark mode. It is again going to apply the dark mode after the page refreshment also. But here we have applied here the light mode. Okay, but refresh the page, see again it is applying the dark mode. Again refresh the, again apply the dark like light mode. Again refresh the page, see again it is applying the dark mode. Okay, again refresh the, again apply the dark like light mode. Again refresh the page, see again it is applying the dark mode. Okay, why, what is the issue? So we have to keep an eye on this state variable dark mode. If it is being changed, if light mode is being applied, if dark mode is being applied. Okay, we have to keep an eye on this dark mode state variable. Okay, so for this we have to copy this state variable, and now I'm going to define here another use effect method. Okay, I'm going to define here another use effect method. Okay, below this, so I'll just say here use effect, and again I'm going to run here the fatter function, and this time I will use here the I'll use here the dependency value. Okay, array value as a this dark mode state variable, so it will keep an eye. Okay, so we all know this. Okay, this user state hook is going to run every time. We all know guys, this use effect hook is going to run every time whenever this dark mode value is going to change. Okay guys, we all know the moment I have given here the dependency array value as this dark mode state variable. So we all know whenever this dark mode state variable is going to change, every time this use effect will run. Okay, every time this use effect method will run whenever this dark mode state variable is going to be changed. Okay, every time. Okay, if it is true false, light mode, dark mode, light mode, dark mode, every time this use effect hook is going to run whenever this dark mode state variable value is going to change from true or false, from false to true, from true to false, from false to true. Every time this use effect hook is going to run. Okay, because we have given here the dependency array value as the dark mode, and this is the state variable. Okay, this is the state variable. So in this way they are going to keep an eye on this state variable dark mode for the change. Okay, true false, okay, like this. Okay, and accordingly we will apply the theme from the local storage to our this app. Okay, so I'll just say here local storage and dot set item what to set guys. We have to just copy this key dark mode from here and just paste it here, and now we will just say here dot, we'll say here JSON, okay, JSON dot, okay, JSON dot stringify. What to stringify? Of course, okay, this uh, dark mode. Okay, so copy this and just paste it here. So in this way we will just keep an eye on this dark mode for true or false, true or false, light mode, dark mode, light mode, dark mode, and accordingly we will fetch it from the local storage and we will apply. Okay, save the file, have a look in the browser, and now apply the light mode. Now refresh the page. See, boom guys, now it's light mode only. Apply the dark mode, refresh the page. See, boom guys, now it's now dark mode only. Apply the light mode and now refresh the page. See, boom guys, now it's now light mode. Apply the dark mode again, refresh the page. See, it's again it's remain the dark mode. Apply the light mode, refresh the page. See, it's light mode only. So now our problem is now solved, our issue is now solved. Okay, so now we have to create here two buttons also for the Facebook and for the LinkedIn. Okay, so I'm going to do that now. Okay, I'm going to do that now. Okay, to share the code on the LinkedIn and on the Facebook as well. Okay, so I will just create here one method. So first of all, let me just create here buttons also to share on the LinkedIn. So paste it here. I'll just say here share the code on LinkedIn, and we have to share on LinkedIn. Okay, and just give the button name as a, I'll say here primary. Okay, so primary, and just copy to clipboard. I'll just say here Fafa Twitter. So Twitter, I'll just say here TWITTER Twitter. Okay, so we have to define this method now. I'm very sorry. So just come here. So there is no any issue, there is no any problem. So we just have to define this method name. Okay, so let's just give here as of now. Let it be blank only, and this is it. So our problem is now solved. Okay, we can see here our problem is now solved. Okay, share on Twitter and share on, okay, share on Twitter and share on LinkedIn. Okay, so share on LinkedIn, and say here Fafa LinkedIn. I'll just say here square. So LinkedIn. Okay, so you can see here the LinkedIn icon. Share the code, okay, on LinkedIn. Okay, share on LinkedIn, and we have to define this method now. Just we have defined here, so we have to define the content of this method name. Okay, share on LinkedIn, we're going to do that now. Okay, so let me just create here the const first. Okay, so const, I'll just say here URL equal to encode. Okay, encode URI component. Okay, I've explained you what it is all about. Okay, so let me just create here backtick, and I'm going to use here the double quotes. Okay, and let me just create here the $sign, and let me just copy this code and the author. So copy this code, and I'm going to copy the author name as well, this author. So just save it here and just close this. Okay, so I'll say here navigator dot clipboard dot write text. So we have to copy this, okay, code and the author as well. So just paste it here. Okay, so now we will just say here const, and we will just say here LinkedIn URL equal to, I'll just say here backtick. So let me just go to the example. Okay, previous example, just to copy the LinkedIn URL. Okay, so copy it from here and just paste it here. So just paste it here. So this is the URL Okay, we are going to encode URI component along with the code along with the author name as well. Okay, and this is the navigator.clipboard.copy. We have to copy the content as well as the author on the clipboard. Okay, so this is it, and this is the URL of the LinkedIn. Okay, this is it. So copy this. Now go up, and now we will just say here, I'm going to say here window dot open. Okay, the open the new tab. Okay, in the blank tab. Okay, so we will just copy this LinkedIn URL and just paste it here, give comma, give double quote or single quote. I'm going to open the tab in the blank tab. Okay, so just save the file, and just share on LinkedIn is now defined, and we will click this button to share on the LinkedIn. Okay, so save the file, have a look in the browser, and now click the button share on LinkedIn. Click the button, guys. Now share on LinkedIn. Now click it. So see, boom, guys, you can see here now LinkedIn is being opened. Okay, and now we can just control V. So see, this is the same code along with the author name. You can see here we don't stop playing because we grow old, because we stop playing. Okay, see, here also the same code, we don't stop playing because we grow old, because we stop playing. Okay, okay, so this is nice code as well. Okay, so this is also working, doing great also. You can see here we are opening the LinkedIn as well as we are sharing the code as well. Okay, so just now get the new code. So click the button get new code. Okay, so all perceiving is also thinking, all reasoning is also intuition, all observation is also an invention. Okay, so share on the LinkedIn, click the button share on LinkedIn. So this is my LinkedIn handle. You can see here all perceiving is also thinking, all reasoning is also intuition, all observation is also invention. Okay, you can see here the same code is also here. Okay, and the same code is also here. So let's just close this. I explained you, leave, I don't want to post anything, leave, and just leave this also. We can share on the Twitter as well. I explained you, I have shown you also. Okay, it is doing great. Okay, so let me just post it this. Okay, quote. So guys, this is my Twitter handle. You can just follow me as well. Okay, if you want to follow me. So Prabhat Pandit. Okay, Prabhat Pandit Prabhat Pandit. Okay, you can just okay if we want, I can show you my profile as well. So this is my profile, Prabhat Pandit. Okay, you can just follow me if you want to follow me. Okay, so okay, so just cut this out. Okay, so guys, now they're going to define the button to share on Facebook. Okay, they're going to define the button to share on Facebook. So create the button, okay, to share on Facebook. So this is it. I'll say here share the code on Facebook. Define the method name share on Facebook. Okay, so copy this method name, and let me just change here the icon also. Only say here Facebook Square, and I'll say here share on Facebook. This is it, and we have to define this method now. So copy, come up, and just define it here const. I'll just paste it here. I'll just use here fader function, open and closing parenthesis, fader function I'll use here. So save the file. As of now we can see here. So let me just bring this button. Okay, I will just okay make just guys remove the text. Okay, so just or I can say here share on LinkedIn, share on Facebook. I can just come here, and let me just okay, so let me just make it here 1000. Okay, so this is the css for code dot app dot css. Okay, just a simple css. Okay, just a plain and simple css. Okay, save the file. Now we can see here button in the same line. Okay, share the code on Facebook. We have to define the method now. Okay, so come to the code now, and okay, so come to the code now. Okay, Okay, we are going to do that now. Share on Facebook. Okay, so just come here. I'll just create here one const. I'll just say here URL equal to, I'll just say here encode URI. Okay, and we all know what it is all about. Okay, encode URI, it is going to remove the backspaces or the extra like symbol like icons, spaces, okay, from our URL. Okay, this is it. Okay, this is it. Okay, so let me just copy this, okay, URL from the example only. In this way we will have, okay, less issue. So copy this from here to here, and just come here and just paste it here. This is it. Okay, so along with, okay, along with the code, we are also sharing the author name as well. Okay, so we have to define this method name or the URL. Okay, we have to define this URL inside this, okay, encode URI component. Okay, this is it. Okay, so just now we will just say here, again we are going to use your navigator dot clipboard dot write text to copy the text as well as the author name. Okay, I mean the content, I mean the quote as well as the author name on the clipboard. Okay, so we will just say here, let me just copy this and just let me just copy this and just paste it here. Okay, so let's just remove this extra tick. Okay, so this, in this way we are also copying the code as well as the author name. Okay, whenever we are sharing it on the Facebook. Okay, so this is it. Okay, so let me just create, let me just copy the URL. Okay, so copy this URL. Okay, and I will explain you, don't worry. So guys, this is the const. Okay, and this is the URL, and this is the URL, okay, which we are going to share on the Facebook. Okay, whenever this button is going to click share on Facebook, and this is the const. Okay, we will create here again the window dot open, and we will just pass here, okay, both the parameters as well, this URL parameter and this, okay, like we want to open it into the same tab or into the new tab or the blank tab. Okay, we will see here blank. Okay, so save the file and have a look in the browser. So now click the button share on Facebook, hit it now. So just say here control V. So see, boom guys, we can see here the same code also, the same code is also here. All perceiving is also thinking, all listening is also intuition, all observation is also an invention. Okay, if we want we can get the new code also. So let's just share this rejoicing in our joy, not suffering, our suffering makes someone a friend. Okay, so share this on Twitter, I mean on the Facebook. Okay, so just paste it, control V. You can see here is here. Okay, it's doing great also. And guys, okay, this is my, okay, like a Facebook handle. If we want, if you want, we can you can just follow this. Okay, so this is my Facebook handle. Okay, so just close this. Okay, so let me just guys, okay, as of now just copy this okay, notification code from here, and I want to show here also, whenever our code is whenever we are behave successfully, fetch the new code from the API. Okay, from the API. Okay, so we will just say here also, paste it here, and we will just say here data dot content to show the code. Okay, so just paste it here, save the file, have a look in the browser, and now click the button get new code. See, we got the notification also as soon as our code is here. Okay, so get the new code. See, get the new code. Okay, see how cool and how dynamic our application is. Sorry, you can just apply the dark mode also, refresh the page. See, dark mode remain here. Apply the light mode, refresh the page. Okay, okay, so guys, I feel we have, okay, completed our session. We have completed our coding session. Okay, and I hope guys you have learned something new, something awesome, something cool, okay, from this video, from this session. Okay, and as a beginner, okay, this video was very helpful to you, I feel. Okay, because we have got here to learn, okay, what is like user state, how to define user state, what is use effect, also how to import the third party application, third party API also in our React app, in our React application, and how to use this tooltip, okay, from the Ant design as well. Okay, so I hope guys this is the complete video for the React new learner and the React beginners, okay, in 2025. Okay, so I hope guys we have come to the end of this video, end of this session now, and I have explained you each and everything in deep, in details also. Guys, still you have any doubt, any query regarding this video, regarding this session, then please guys do ask me in the comment section below. I'll try to address it, I'll try to remove it, I'll try to resolve the solution, like problem as well, and I'll try to give you the best possible answer and the solution. Okay, and guys, you can give me the feedback also about my session, about my tutorial. Okay, whether you want the video in English only, or whether I can I should, okay, start creating the video in Hindi. Okay, just do let me know in the comment section below, and please guys, okay, do try to comment something in the comment box below. It will give me the motivation, it will give me the, okay, confidence, okay, to create awesome videos like this for you on each and every topic of web development and full stack development also. And please guys, okay, do subscribe now my channel Code with ER. Okay, please guys, please, okay, your guys, your one subscriptions means a lot. Okay guys, your one subscriptions means a lot to me. Okay, so please guys, subscribe now, and please press the bell icon also, and please do like this video as well, which will give me the confidence, which will give me the motivation also, and which also going to tell the YouTube algorithm that this video is awesome, this video is cool, and I should I should forward, okay, this video to the broader and broader audience. Okay, so please guys, please consider me as a friend, consider me as a brother, and I need to help, I need your support. Okay, so please guys, I hope you will subscribe now, and you will press the bell icon also, and you will like this video as well. Okay, so guys, let me just read something for you. Okay, I hope you will, it will give you the confidence to subscribe to my YouTube channel Code with ER. Okay, let me just read something for you. Okay, so hey everyone, I know I'm not here to create low grade, vulgar, or obscene content just to get the subscribers. If that were the case, I'm sure some of you would have subscribed by now, but that's not my goal. My aim is to give back something meaningful and valuable to society through education and knowledge. Okay, if you believe in the power of learning and want to be part of this journey, I would really appreciate it if you could hit that subscribe button for my YouTube channel Code with ER. I'm here to teach you and empower you with skills that will last a lifetime. Okay, remember, there are countless channels out there offering cheap, dirty, and harmful content to entertain you, but here it's all about growth, learning, and becoming better versions of ourselves. Okay, so if you have learned something today or found this session helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel now. Your support means the world to me. Okay, please guys, your one subscription means the world to me. Okay, please subscribe now my this channel Code with ER now. Okay, at the end of the day, it's all in your hand. Okay, take care, and I'll see you in the next session. We have got some amazing stuff lined up for you. ER Prabhat Pandit, that's me. Okay, so I hope guys you will subscribe now my this channel Code with ER, and you will press the bell icon also. So please guys, please subscribe now, and please be the part of this lovely and dynamic community of mine on this platform Code with ER. Okay, our community, our, okay, family members are very, okay, welcoming, and they're going to welcome you with their open arm. Okay, please guys, okay, please subscribe now, and please be the part of this lovely and dynamic community. Okay, please be the part of this now. Okay, and please like this video also. Okay, and please do guys do comment something also. Okay, what you have learned, what you have new learned. Okay, like what you have learned good, awesome, from this video, from this session as well. Okay, please do comment something. Okay, and please guys do use the headphone, okay, to listen to the audio, to listen to the sound of this video. I know the sound is bit low, the sound is bit down, okay, of this video. Okay, please, and thank you guys to those guys who has already subscribe to my this channel Code with ER. Thank you guys, thanks a lot, okay. And thank you to also those guys who has not yet subscribe to my this channel Code with ER. Please guys, you can see I'm putting a lot of hard work, I'm putting a lot of hard efforts to create awesome videos for you on each and every topic of development, on and on full stack development also, and on service now as well. Okay, please subscribe now, please. Okay, so thank you guys for watching my video, for watching my content. See you guys in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye guys. This is Prabhat Pandit signing off now.